Hello, you're welcome to my Yoruba class. Let's look at how to say these phrases in Yoruba language. I'm the one. Emini, Emini. You are the one. Iwoni, Iwoni. He or she is the one. Ouni, Ouni. They are the ones. Awani, Awani. It's mine. Temini, Temini. It's yours. Tireni, Tireni. It is or ours. Tireni, Tireni. It's theirs. Tiwani, Tiwani. It's ours. Tiwani, Tiwani.